This little bastard is what popped off that tab yesterday and smacked me right in the jaw like mock Jesus. But he's ready to put back in. Oh, okay, as you can see, a lot of space emptied up because I put the new transfer case in, and then I kind of just stacked all the old parts. I got a bag full of goodies, but getting ready to try it, see if it works. I don't know, hopefully. And then probably not going to be able to see, maybe, but I have been crawling under the Jeep all day long in the rain. Fun stuff, really. I was like, yeah, I'll cut trash bags, make a pad, boom, problem solved. Nope, created a fucking puddle is all it done. It just held it. I don't care if I am breathing heavy. I don't care if I am covered in mud. It's leather. It'll be all right. Up. Up. Nope. Okay, I just had to turn all the accessory lights off and stuff like that. Give it a little bit of life and some juice. Love it. Okay, got it at a steady idle now. I might leave that one there. I haven't tried anything yet. I did throw this in the back because I forgot it was in the front seat. But, Rock, come here. Don't make me get down there, please. Okay, Rock's out of the way. But I've only got 3 out of the 4 bolts in the rear straps. So, that's a little bit of a worry just in case it wants to kick down hard. Oh. Okay, we're moving. Okay, that works for me right there. That's all I need. Back up off them rocks just a little bit. Damn, I'm happy to just be moving again. But, you know, there's still that front drive shaft from the donor case. I can't use it because it's U-joint. And my bumper piece, because I ripped the bumper off. Yeah. Still lots of parts laying around. But basically, if you get a 247, the, you know, 4-wheel all-time, neutral, 4-low, Quadra drive, and accidentally kickstand your Jeep on the drive shaft and shatter your transfer case, then find you a 249 out of a ZJ and change your shafts, and I think it was it. Just the input shaft, and you're good to go. Just bolt everything back up. Well, you gotta change the yokes, because I did, because mine's the whatever drive shaft you like bolts together like this, and you know, all that. But if somehow you have a U-joint one, you're good to go. Don't even worry about it. You literally just change the 2 things, put it back in there, you're good to go, ready to drive. If you're looking for the 242 I don't know how to do it. But I have seen and read enough to know that you have to change the input shaft, the yoke, well, slip yoke, and if you want, anyway, to change this piece out, because apparently it bothers people not knowing it's like 2, 4, neutral 4, blah, blah. Or you just write it in yourself, or just not care and just remember it. But that's all. Pretty simple stuff. Thank you for watching.